Ant Academy. Giraffes are A giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal belonging to the genus Giraffa. It is the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant on Earth. Traditionally, giraffes have been considered one species with 9 subspecies, Giraffa camelopardalis. Recently, researchers proposed dividing them into 4 existing species due to new research on their mitochondrial and nuclear DNA. Giraffa camelopardalis is the tallest land animal, known for its long neck, distinctive coat pattern, and long legs. Here are some interesting facts about giraffes. 1. Neck anatomy. Despite their long necks, giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, 7. Each vertebra is elongated, contributing to their remarkable height. 3. Diet. Giraffes are herbivores, primarily eating leaves, fruits, and flowers, particularly from acacia trees. Their long necks allow them to reach foliage that other herbivores cannot. 4. Tongue. Giraffes have a long, prehensile tongue that can be up to 20 inches, 50 centimeters long, which helps them grasp and pull leaves from branches. 6. Communication. Giraffes are generally quiet animals, but they do communicate through various means, including physical displays and low-frequency sounds that are below the level of human hearing. 7. Habitat. They are native to Africa and prefer savanna, grassland, and open woodlands. However, their populations have diminished due to habitat loss and 8. Conservation status. Giraffes are classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to habitat loss, poaching, and a decline in their population. Giraffes are fascinating creatures that play a significant role in their ecosystems and are admired for their unique characteristics.
priceless creation of nature.